Today, we're excited to introduce you to the Iirios Nightstands Set of 2, a perfect blend of style and functionality for your home. These versatile nightstands feature a unique combination of a fabric drawer and an open storage shelf, providing ample space for all your bedside essentials like books, devices, and remotes. Crafted with a minimalist, modern design, these nightstands fit seamlessly into any decor, whether in your bedroom, living room, or even a college dorm. The durable wood panel material and adjustable metal floral drawer ensure both beauty and practicality, while the raised design and rounded corners offer safety and stability. Plus, with 4 high off-the-ground metal legs arranged in a figure-8 shape, you can trust in their sturdiness and ease of cleaning. Assembly is a breeze, taking just about 20 minutes with all tools and instructions included, so you can enjoy a neater and more organized space in no time. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.